Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 15 and today date is 22/9/2020. Okay. So, before starting, student, let recapitulate what we have done in our previous video. So, student, in the previous video I discussed what is mass communication. Okay, what is mass communication? Firstly, we have discussed about means of communication, where what are the different ways in which we communicate with each other. Now here we discuss in now after that we discuss mean of mass communication. If you want to spread information to large number of people in a very short time, so which means of communication you will use? That is known as mass communication. Okay, if you want to spread information to a large number of people in a short time, then we are using which type of communication? We are using mass communication. So this thing we have discussed in our previous video, and some of the example are newspaper, radio, television, books. All are these the example of a means of mass communication. Okay, so other example also we have discussed in this. For example, in your school you have a APS DGCam. There is a software, and if the school want to send the message to all the students studying in that school, so with the help of that the same message is sent to all the people within a very short time. Okay, so after that we discuss the keywords of this chapter. Now let's start with the things to remember. We communicate with others using different means of communication. Okay, we communicate with others using different means of communication. For example, you speak or you listen or you read or write, or you are talking in the phone, or you are writing the letter to someone, or you are using the mobile for talking. So these are some different means of communication. Your fax machine also. Okay, computer, by computer you can send email messages also. So these are the different means of communication which we have discussed in the chapter. Now see next point. Letters, cards, radio, television, emails are called it the means of communication. Now लेटर, टेलीफोन, मोबाइल्स, ईमेल्स आर इंडिविजुअल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. ठीक है, ये इंडिविजुअल मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है, और आप पर्सनल मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन भी बोल सकते हो. ठीक है, जब हम एक ही मैसेज को वी शेयर द सेम मैसेज विद मेनी ऑफ द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ ए पीपल एट द सेम टाइम, दैट इज मास कम्युनिकेशन. ठीक है, जैसे ईमेल है. ईमेल में मैंने आप लोग को क्या बताया था? व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग? देयर शुड बी अ computer internet connection, and for the email address also, then only you can send the email. So student, see here, what is your letter, telephone, your letters, telephone, mobiles, emails are individual. These are individual mean of communication. Okay, letter, telephone, mobiles, emails, these are individual means of communication. Is it clear? Now next है radio, television, newspaper, magazines. All these are mean of mass communication. Is it clear? Same messages, same message they are sharing with large number of people at the same time. So this is known as mass communication. For example, radio, television, newspaper, magazines are all means of mass communication. We are spreading the same message to large number of people at the same time. Radio है. For example, if you switch on the radio, so one example I have given you of from the book also here, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, Man Ki Baat. So this is a telecast on the radio, and by this he is giving his speech or sending his message to all the people of the countries. Okay, so television, television is also mean of mass communication, because many peoples they are, for example, cricket का मैच हो रहा है, so you go in any home, you will find all the people are busy in watching the TV, watching the match. So it means the same thing it is sharing with large number of people at the same time. Newspaper, newspaper, whatever news in your newspaper or whatever news in neighbor's paper, all are same. What are the things written in that? That is same message is spread into a large number of people. That is the reason it is known as mass communication. यह बुक्स हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग जब मैम या सर बोलते होंगे टेक आउट या मैथ्स बुक, फिर दे स्पीक ओपन पेज नंबर 20 or 40. So have you observed that all the matter which is written in the book that is the same ना स्टूडेंट? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि थर्ड में जितने बच्चे हैं सबकी बुक में अलग अलग है, ऐसा नहीं ना. सेम मैटर और सेम thing you will find in all the books. Okay, so these all are the means of mass communication. These all are the means of mass communication. Now next है लेटर आर ए कॉमन एंड चीप मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. भाई लेटर को कॉमन और चीप मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन इसलिए भी बोला गया है बिकॉज वेरी लेस अमाउंट ऑफ मनी यू स्पेंड इन सेंडिंग द लेटर. ठीक है, सो क्योंकि बाई चांस देखो मोबाइल में बहुत सी सर्विस है, लेकिन उसके लिए भी आपको रिचार्ज कराना पड़ता है, नेट पैक्स लेने पड़ते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू पे मनी फॉर दैट आल्सो. बट if you are writing a letter, in that the amount of money which we have to spend is very less. Okay, so another, telephone and mobile phones are the quickest and easiest mean of communication. Yes, it is absolutely right. Telephone and mobile phone both are the quickest mean of communication. But now if you are talking about the present time, so the most popular mean of, सबसे ज्यादा यूज में आने वाला मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? वो मोबाइल है. बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज in the mobiles, easy to carry, you can call, you can talk with any person, Okay, you can do video calling also, you can send messages also, you can do chatting also, you can send emails also, even office work you can also do in that your mobile. So it is a full of facilities. Telephone is also a quickest mean of communication. Mobile is also a quickest mean of communication, but it is more advanced than telephone. Is it clear? Next one is the computer is another popular means of sending messages nowadays through emails. So computer is also a very good means of communication. Okay, now in present time you will see student, even in the school also you have a separate subject of computer also. This is not when your parents study in the school. अब आप किसी भी स्कूल में पढ़ो, देखो आपका एक सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट ही कंप्यूटर का होता है। तो ये भी बहुत पॉपुलर मीन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम चीजें आजकल क्या है, नेट पे ही हम करते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट है आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट। इसका डिस्कस ऑलरेडी मैंने आप लोग के संग किया था बेटा। दीज वाई वी से इट एज ए आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट बिकॉज दीज आर मैन मेड सैटेलाइट्स, बिकॉज दीज आर मैन मेड सैटेलाइट्स। Okay, so these we send into the space and these satellites are taking round of the our planet earth, and there are lot of technologies has been used in these satellites. Okay, so even this we are getting the signals from these satellites also. Is it clear? जैसे टेलीफोन्स में क्या वायर होती है, वायर यूज होती है ना, लेकिन मोबाइल्स क्या है, ये सिग्नल्स पे काम करते हैं. Is it clear? And we are getting these signals from the satellites. Okay, so artificial satellites help send messages and information quickly across the world through signals. Is it clear? Now student, I have completed all the explanation of the book means of communication. Now, so we have discussed things to remember also. So let's start with the book exercises of the chapter. Open page number 81. Page number 81. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. So it means that student, one question is given and for that question there are 4 options are given to you and you have to choose the right option. If we need to send a letter written by hand, okay, we visit the option number A, रेडियो स्टेशन, बी बैंक, सी पोस्ट ऑफिस. So student, see what is the question. If we need to send a letter, written means you are writing that letter with the help of a pen or pencil. ठीक है. एक होता है वी आर स्पीकिंग द लैंग्वेज, एंड एक चीज क्या होती है वी आर राइटिंग द लैंग्वेज. सो if we need to send a letter written by hand, okay, whether you are writing with the pen or pencil, we visit. So there is a place which I have already explained you from where we get the letters. So first is given radio station. Radio station, no student, this is not a right answer. Even I explained you radio. Radio is which mean of communication? Mass communication. ठीक है. Same message is spread to large number of people at the same time. So option number A, that is not a right answer. Then option number B, bank. So student, we go to bank to deposit our money or we kept our precious things. ज्वेलरी रख सकते हो और भी चीजें रख सकते हो. ये when I teach you neighborhood places, at that time भी I explain you what we do in the bank. So or we also collect money, withdraw money from the bank also. So this is also why we visit bank, to deposit the money, to kept our precious things, or to withdraw the money. मतलब पैसा लेने के लिए भी हम कहाँ जाते हैं बेटा, बैंक जाते हैं. तो this is also not a right option. Now see option number C, post office. Yes student, this is the right place where you will go and take the letter. You can take inland letter also, or you can write something in postcard also, or you can write in one page and after that you put that page inside the envelope also, paste the stamp on that envelope. In this manner also you can send the letter. So the place from where we get the letter, that is from the post office. Okay, so option number C is the right answer, post office. If we need to listen, if we need to listen to old speeches, ठीक है. देखो इसने बेटा एक हिंट भी दिया इस क्वेश्चन में. फर्स्टली आई राइट द ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन नंबर ए मैगजीन. ऑप्शन नंबर ए क्या दिया, मैगजीन. ओके. ऑप्शन नंबर बी रेडियो. ऑप्शन नंबर सी न्यूज पेपर. So what is the question? kids, the question is we need to listen. I am underlining this word, listen. Okay, we need to listen to old speech we use है. ठीक है, ओल्ड भाषण वाषण अगर आपको कहीं सुनने हैं, दैट इज द रीजन मैंने लिसन को अंडरलाइन किया. लिसन मतलब होता है सुनना. आप सुनने का काम किससे करते हो? अपने ईयर से करते हो. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? सो व्हेन समवन टॉक टू अस देन वी लिसन. उसकी साउंड का कैसे हमें पता चलता है? विद आवर ईयर. सो हियर इट इज रिटन इफ वी नीड टू लिसन. लिसन मतलब होता है सुनना. टू ओल्ड स्पीच वी यूज ए मैगजीन. ओके, वी रीड द मैगजीन. ठीक. एंड न्यूज़पेपर. सो तो magazine, that is not a right answer. Then newspaper is also not a right answer. So where we listen? We will listen in the radio. So radio is the option number B. Option number B, radio is the right answer. Note down. If the principal if the principal if the principal has to make an important announcement she uses a first option radio, second option mic, third option intercom. So student, if the principal of your school, student, if principal man has to make an important announcement, so she uses a radio. So radio is not a right answer. रेडियो के अपने प्रोग्राम होते हैं, अपने प्रोग्राम टेलीकास्ट होते हैं. ठीक है. सो अगर प्रिंसिपल मैम को कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज देना होगा तो वो रेडियो स्टेशन थोड़ी ना जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? सो माइक, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट अ राइट आंसर. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द इंटरकॉम. सी स्टूडेंट, यू हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट इन योर स्कूल, आपने देखा स्कूल में हम सबकी क्लासेस में स्पीकर्स लगे होते हैं. डू यू रिमेंबर? देयर इज अ स्पीकर इन आवर क्लासेस. सो that technique is known as intercom. So while sitting in her office, while sitting in her office, if principal ma'am want to announce some important message, so she can use intercom. Is it clear? So intercom is the right answer. Note down answer. To send an away. Next question. To send an important message to a friend immediately, we use a, so what is the first option? Newspaper. First option is newspaper. Second, radio. Or C, mobile phone. So see student, newspaper is a mass mean of communication. In this we spread the same message or we share the same message with a large number of people in a very short time. So newspaper is not a right answer. Radio, it is also mean of mass communication. It means we are spreading this message with the large number of people in very short time. Is it clear? And mobile phone, yes, this is the right answer. बिकॉज इसमें क्या है, इंडिविजुअल कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं, हम सबके संग नहीं कर रहे हैं. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को मैसेज सेंड करना है इमीडिएटली, तो मैंने उसको इंडिविजुअली भेजा. मुझे हजारों लोगों के संग नहीं कर रहा है. आई हैव टू सेंड मैसेज टू माय फ्रेंड, इंडिविजुअली मुझे भेजना है. सो आई विल यूज मोबाइल फोन. To watch a live match, we use A radio, B television, and C newspaper. ओके, रेडियो में वी कैन नॉट सी द पिक्चर, ऑडियो में सुनाई देती है रेडियो में. ठीक है बेटा, हमें पिक्चर नहीं दिखाई देती, इसलिए रेडियो इज नॉट ए राइट ऑप्शन. न्यूज़पेपर, we read the newspaper, is a mean of mass communication. But here you want to watch a live match, सो दिस वी कैन यूज टेलीविजन, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, टेलीविजन को यूज करेंगे। और दीज थ्री आर मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन, बट इसमें सिर्फ ऑडियो दिखता है, इसमें आप रीडिंग कर सकते हो। एंड इन अ टेलीविजन ही एक ऐसा मीन ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन है इन विच यू कैन सी लाइव मैच आल्सो। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।